Monire Mosa, Tampokerelani. My name is Lorraine Masia Mponera. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Loreni, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is my mother tongue. I'm from Malawi, but it's also spoken in other neighboring countries like Tanzania, Zambia, some parts of Congo, and some people say even in Zimbabwe. So in this video, we are looking at, what are we looking at? All right. Wow. Yeah. So this is video number 15 since we started on the 26th of January. This video will be out on 9th of February, which means 14 days have passed. So I'm taking a reflection of what I have learned in these past 14 days. And yeah, so I'll be sharing with you 3 main lessons and of course with a bonus at the end. Without wasting much of your time, let us get right into it. Okay, so like I said, we are reflecting back on the past 14 days about what we have learned. So, tuonesto, meaning let us reflect. Tuonesto. That's Tiwonaso. Tuonesto, reflection. Tasambirachi, what have we learned? Usambira means learn. So, tasambirachi, what have we learned? Chi is what? If you check other videos from last year when this channel started, we looked at questions as well. So if you just go on videos, you will find the video that explores questions. So chi means what? Tasambirachi. What have we learned? Pakumala pamasabata yaviri. At the end of 2 weeks, what have we learned? So pakumala is at the end. Pa of masabata. Sabata is weeks. Yaviri 2. At the end of 2 weeks, tasambirachi. Pakumala pamasabata yaviri tasambirachi. Okay. So paulendo wa madazi makumi ya nkonde na yanai. There's also a video which I talked about counting in Chitumbuka, like 1 to 100. So makumi, kumi is 10. Nkonde is 5. Yanai is 4. So when we say paulendo wa madazi makumi ya nkonde, meaning 10, 10, 10, 10, 5 of them, which is 50. Nayanai and 4 more, which is like 90. Okay? It's the long way you can say it. Makumi yankonde nayanai. People will understand it. Yankonde is 5. Makumi 10. So it's you are saying 10, 5, and 4. So which is 90. 4, 9 tens. But yeah, but you can also say makumi makumi yankonde nayanai, yes. Makumi 9. Yeah, makumi 9. People would still hear it. 9. Okay. So ulendo is a journey. Ulendo wa madazi is days. Makumi yankonde nayanai 90 days. So 3 things, and like I said, probably there's also a bashira at the end, a bonus. Who knows? So 3 things. Chakwamba, the first one that has happened within these 14 days. Tafuma pa 200 kufika pa 420 vantu vakutirondesha. Tafuma means from 200 people. Kufika, we have reached 420 people, vantu vakutirondesha, followers. So what we are saying is the channel has grown from around 200 people that were subscribers before we started this. Now we are close to 420. As I'm recording this video, there's 416 subscribers. But by the time you will be watching this video, we'll have passed 420 because it's growing on daily basis. It has really, it's like it has doubled within 2 weeks, the number of subscribers, which I'm very, very appreciative of everyone that is that is subscribing. After maybe 1 or 2 more videos, because some of the videos have already been recorded, excuse me, I will give, it's just 1 or 2 videos after this one. Then I will give you the whole plan of the remaining videos, what we are focusing on. And you will love it because I love it. So you will love the plan. Also, look forward to that. Yeah, totally. Look forward to that video as well, where I'm letting you know what is the biggest thing that we are doing in the remaining days to make the 90 videos. We have a plan. We've got this. Okay. So Chakwamba, its number of subscribers have doubled actually from 200 to 400 within the past 2 weeks, which I'm grateful for. Chashiviri, number 2. Tasambira kuchita rekodi vya kwimba. We have learned to record sound. Okay, kusambira, learning. Kuchita, doing. Rekodi, kuchita this is like recording, yeah. So I've learned to record sound via kwimba. Kwimba is sound, so it can be music, can be this, can be drumming, can be that. So when I was making a video that I was using things, I made a video to the end, and I found that when I was replaying it, thank God, sometimes I do this test first to just check is there sound, is there this, is there that. I found that everything that I did, there was no sound of the instruments that I was using. Why? Because I did not know that I was supposed to share also the sound in Zoom, even though I'm here talking, it was just picking my words without everything else that I was using. So that was a huge lesson for me. Like, I finished recording. Now I want to upload something, just that thing that we talked about in yesterday's video, in a video where I talked about my baby. I think it's a video about Maju Yapapata, deep words. So if you find the video that talks about deep words in Chitomboka, I talked about Miavivi, meaning some things you just know it. You don't need anyone to tell you because everything is already, you can sense it somehow. If you are someone who is in tune with your spiritual or your subconscious mind or something like that, something just tells you, you know that something is, yeah. So I had that my baby. So I was like, let me play this video, and wow, there was no sound. Everything that I was trying, I was drumming some drums, I was doing visekese, only actions were showing, but there was no sound. So to me, that was a big, so I had to figure it out. I was like, no, there has to be a way where Zoom can capture both my words and whatever other sound that I want to be in this video. So I managed to do it, but of course, the pitch is quite higher for the sound. I will figure out probably if there's something I could do about that in the settings, but still I managed to capture what I wanted to capture. So that was a huge learning. Number 3. Chachitatu nchakuti. Chachitatu nchakuti. Pakati kukhumba kulongola kanthu tiushengepo manosi ayatachitaje. Oh, Manosi, Aya, Danka. Okay, so Danka should have come earlier. Ah, come on, man. So what I would have said was, kumba kulongola kanthu, tushengepu, tushengepu Danka, Manotsi. So what I'm trying to say is, when I share screen like this, there are some videos I was showing people. What can I show? I just don't want to. Right. Okay, I'll show this smaller book. Probably this you will see because it has a big font. So what I was saying is, I also learned the hard way. I was talking about, oh, I'm a facilitator, this facilitator, that. Here's the booklet, and I'm showing it. So the lesson is, when I'm sharing a screen like that, I will need to stop share first and show people like this, so that you can say it. But at the time when I was doing that video, I had not thought about it, and I was asking people, oh, can you see it? Can you see it? So yeah, I will show it again now properly so you can see the booklet that I was talking about. But because it didn't really show, but this is a huge lesson for me. So just stay with me. Yes. So in that video, I was talking about this book. I was like, oh, can you see? But I was sharing screen. So when I watched it later, I was like, oh my God, I shouldn't be showing people something. Don't mind the notes I write. Every book I put a comment, especially I thank God for everything, really, for leading me to this book, that book, this book, or this opportunity. But yeah, but the point is about the learnings so far. So here we go. I've learned a lesson there. Now let's look at the final lesson, which is a bonus lesson. Okay, so yes, we talked about this. Pati ku pati kukumba, pati kukumba kulongola kanthu. When we want to show, kulongola is show. Kanthu is something. Kukumba is want. Tushengepu, we should remove. Kushapu is removing. Manotsi is just notice English. Manotsi. Danka is before. So let's remove before we start showing people to say, hey, look at this. So so it is quite a huge difference because yeah, in my head I never thought that people are just looking at it. This thing is just showing on my little screen here. I was just thinking that once I'm showing like that, it's the whole of their computer or of their phone, they will see it. Yeah. So that's a lesson. Final lesson, the bonus lesson is that, yeah, I am trying. Chitumbuka words are coming. This is why I even wanted to get these words that kept coming. Um, the deep word, one of the videos is talking about the deep word. I wanted them to get out of the way. I was like, I don't want to get stuck in now, kind of like really remembering a lot. So if I put them down, I should be telling my subconscious mind to say, we are done with that. Let's leave it aside and move on, because a lot of things are just coming to the fore again. So that is a byproduct of it. And I really like it because things just keep coming and revealing and revealing. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm still remembering Utetemera, Zuaru Utetemera. I would not have thought about it, but yeah, big words just keep coming and coming and coming. So that's it. Let me stop share. So yeah, these are the four main lessons so far, but I know I'll have a lot of lessons as we go along, but I just thought I should give these early results, early lessons, early nuggets, things that making me to keep going. So it's good to notice them because that's what will keep pushing me. But like I said, after maybe one or two more videos after this one, I'll be unpacking the whole plan for the remaining of the videos to 90 days. And I'm excited about that because where the idea came from, I will never get to know because it just came to me and I'm pursuing it. So yeah, keep watching. Tawonga tawonga ye uchomeni. Zuva liweme taruta. Yeo yeo. Bye.